Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys how I root clip for volume and to kind of place my part. If you want to see how I root clip when I had bangs, you can go back a couple videos in my diva curl tutorial and I show you guys how I used to clip my bangs forward, and now I kind of clip them to the side. So I will root clip just in the center where my part is, or in the center of my part, to kind of keep it intact. And I will leave them in while I air dry, or if I'm air drying completely, I will leave them on in the car or whatever I'm doing for that day. Today I diffuse, so I only put them in for about halfway through. Okay, so let's get started. So typically I will apply my products to either damp or wet hair, and then I will root clip to air dry to about halfway. And that's just because my hair carries a lot of water, so when I don't air dry first before I diffuse, I find that my hair takes forever to dry. So typically I will root clip wherever I want my hair placed. I used to root clip in the front when I had bangs, and you can kind of go back to my diva curl styling video and see how I root clip there, but basically I would just put all my hair to the front and root clip going this way, but now I root clip to the side. So I will just put my part wherever I want it. And this is kind of your opportunity to correct any like areas that you want kind of covered, or if you have like a cowlick and you want your hair placed in a certain spot, this is kind of your opportunity to do that. And root clipping serves as both a method of getting your roots off of your hair or off of your scalp, so that you have a little bit more volume, or like me, I just want to place my hair in a specific way so I can get my part a certain way. So I will show you guys, and I'm being super gentle, breaking up any clumps that have already formed while I was applying my hair products. So and I use the ones that are like, I don't know how much the pack is, but I have them linked in my Instagram highlights. I will sometimes even use these little guys from like the dollar store. For today, I will show you guys with my actual root clips. And these are the metal ones. I know that diva clips are like better or whatever, but I'm not gonna spend more money on that stuff. So typically what I'll do is I will just lift up a piece of hair and then just apply it as close to the root as possible, just so that it lifts up that part of my part. Okay, and then to add a little bit more volume, I will just lift up this piece right here and root clip it inward like that, and do the same on this side. And the amount of hair you take is completely up to you. What you want to be careful of by taking big chunks like this is that you don't get indentations when you take them out. But I will diffuse before I actually fully finish air drying, so I'll just place a couple more on the sides. And this will also help while I'm doing my makeup, so that I don't actually have to like clip my hair back. So I'm gonna do my makeup and air dry for a little bit, and then I will diffuse. So I'll take them out before I diffuse. And if you air dry, you can just put these in while you're air drying, and that way you don't have to worry about the volume or your hair sticking to your scalp. So I hope this was helpful. I will show you guys when my hair is about halfway dry. All right, so once my hair is dry enough, I will take the root clips out. And you want to be very careful not to pull. And as you can see, they dried where the root clips were, as far as like the clumps and the cast. And now I'm going to diffuse.